Okay, so my next repair on the PS2 repair series will be a controller. This controller has loose analog sticks, some buttons don't work well, and it's dirty overall, so I'm going to be replacing the analog sticks, restoring the sticks, and cleaning the pads for the buttons so they work well. So I first start by disassembling the controller. Well, now that the controller is disassembled, first of all, I'm going to put away the screws so I don't lose them. Now, these are the replacements I'm going to use. Later on you'll see I'm not going to use the sticks, the replacement sticks, I'm just going to use the analog potentiometers, and I'm going to restore the yellowed sticks because those fit better on the controller. Now I'm going to use my desoldering pump to desolder the analog sticks. After desoldering the analog sticks, I'm going to desolder the rumble motors, because desoldering them will make it easier to lift the board without ripping them. Now, after lifting the board, I'm taking off the sticks, and now I'm going to use a screwdriver to try and pry off the old analog potentiometers off from the board. Now it's just a matter of cleaning the board a bit and pushing the new ones in. Now we can start soldering all the pins in place, and the stick should be done. Now I can solder back on the leads for the rumble motors. And after plugging back in the ribbon cable, the controller should be now ready to test. Now I shall temporarily put back together the controller so I can test it. Now I will be plugging the controller into my PlayStation 2 that will be running a homebrew app that lets you monitor the controller inputs. Now, as you can see, the analog sticks seem to be working fine. Now, if you take a look at the values, you can see that most of them are at around 123 when they should be at around 127 or 128. This problem can be solved and it will most likely be the subject of another video. Now I'll start cleaning up the shell and buttons, so I need to start taking everything apart again. Now I'm going to do the retrobrighting process on the old sticks. I'm going to put some hydrogen peroxide on the sticks and I'm going to wrap them in nylon and then I'm going to place them under the sun around 2 hours so that the sun helps the process and removes the yellowing from the sticks. Now, after unwrapping and rinsing the sticks, we can see that they are much better than before. They obviously don't look like new, but they are not yellow anymore, and the rubbery feeling from the stick came back. Now I'm going to use some IPA to clean up all my soldering because I forgot to do that earlier. And now I'm going to clean up the paths on the membrane of the controller so that all the analog inputs work fine. Now, as you can see, all the parts are dirty of all the years of use, so I will start cleaning them. Now I'm getting some soapy water and a brush so I can start cleaning the shell and buttons of the controller. Now, after rinsing everything and drying, it's time to put the controller back together. Now I'm fixing the wires for the rumble motors because I accidentally tore them when desoldering them before. And now you can see the final product. The analog sticks work fine, they feel better, the controller is clean, and the buttons work fine again. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.